Hi, I'm Jeff Williams, owner of Armor Insurance Agency located right here in Miles City, Montana. We all know that we have to have liability insurance to drive on Montana's highways. But have you ever wondered, why does the government require us to have that? If you have, then this video is for you. We need to recognize that liability insurance is designed to compensate a victim of an accident for property damage or bodily injury. Montana state government recognized that these accidents can cause serious financial harm to an individual, and therefore have mandated that each individual that wants to drive on the roads here in Montana must have financial responsibility demonstrated through the purchase of liability insurance. What you are doing when you're purchasing general liability insurance is protecting yourself from having to pay out of pocket for someone else's medical bills, someone else's repair costs, and any judgments that could be held against you. In short, you're preventing one mistake from becoming a financial disaster. It is important to understand that the liability insurance does not pay you, and it does not pay to fix your car. It is there to compensate the other person that you have caused an injury to, and it is your proof of financial responsibility. Liability insurance can feel like just another legal requirement, but it is much more than that. It's there to protect you, and it's there to protect everyone else out on the road. If you're unsure what your limits are, whether you have enough, feel free to give me a call. I'm happy to discuss it with you. You can reach me at 406-416-1096. Thank you for watching.